Model, 2017 Ford Transit 350 Mark 8 needs turbo replacement Euro 6 bargain. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 193140. Engine, 1996 cc 2.0 TDCI 130 PSA. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, runs underpowered. Turbo needs replacing. The engine is fine. This is a straightforward turbo replacement job. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent. Average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, parking sensors, electric windows. Euro status, Ulez compliant. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for